This video, I'm going to show you how to apply a template to a purchase so that it makes it a lot easier for you. So I've gone onto the MLS, as you can see here, and I went into actually one of Trudy's listings here, which you can see. I'm in the member full view. So under the member full view, if I had buyers who wanted to place an offer on this property, I would go up here and I would find right here, this little icon here is the Zipforms icon. So we are going to click on that icon. Try that again. Now, if you have never used the Zipforms icon, it's going to prompt you to put in your Zipforms login information, and then it'll allow you to save it. So next time you click on it, this is exactly what's going to happen here. It's just going to go right into your Zipforms. And so what has happened here is that we've taken 12 Holbrook and we've taken all the information and it's pulled it directly from the MLS right into the Zipforms transaction. It's created a new transaction and actually labeled it for you right here. And this is a great place to start. So we know this is a buyer and we know we created a buyer's template. So how do we get the template onto here? So right now if I go under documents, the only document I'm going to see is the actual cover sheet, which is automatically filled in. And this actually has some of that information about the property. You can see here it pulled in all of Trudy's listing information, so that brought that right in. The property address and information. So this is a great document, but it doesn't really help you if you want to write an offer. So let's go back out. And now what we want to do is we want to go to Apply Template. So this is a good spot to go. You can click that Apply Template. And this is where you can select your template that you want to use. So in this case, it's a buyer, so I'm going to click my buyer template. And I'm going to apply. And so now you'll see it automatically filled in all of these forms, which is excellent. And if I go under, say, the agreement of sale right here, I click on that, it's going to load it up. It automatically put in all this information. Now, Trudy has C agent here for the seller, so that's why that populated there. Down here, this was the information I'd already entered into my template, so it just came right up. You just have to make sure you select, I'm going to be the buyer agent. Let's say I'll be the designated buyer's agent this time, so make sure you select those. But again, same thing happens on the selling side, so she'd be the selling agent and probably a selling agent with designated agency. So we just want to make sure you go through, select that, and fill this out the way you typically would. But you can see how quickly I was able to get this all set up and start writing up my agreement of sale. Some of the other things that do get automatically populated, if there was any inclusions, they would pop right into here, or exclusions for that matter. This does just automatically go in as residential typically, but just make sure you check that too. But that's how you would apply your template. The other thing I just want to show you really quick here is that with this, you've created your transaction. We'll go back here just to the, I'm sorry, to the summary page. Oh, sorry. So we went back, this is actually our full transaction page. Let's go back in real quick. And here, one other nice step to take is if you do have your buyers, to enter their information here, put their names in and their emails in. And the reason I say that is because once you go to do your DocuSign, if you are sending this via DocuSign, it will grab that email and you'll never have to enter your email again. So if you want to put that information up front right here, it makes it a lot easier. Let me know how you make out and we'll go from there.